This is the EPICKA 2000 watts pure sine wave voltage converter I was sent to review, so let me show you a closer look. Got your user's manual, a little carry pouch. Wow, 3 different plug adapters here, and your converter box. This thing is big, but at the same time, not massive. If we take these out, down below, you'll find your cord. This is the base, and then these 3 can be added on top to convert the plugs. The base is type EF, and then you have type C. You just pop it on like that. So easy. Type G and type I. So you can just research online wherever you're going. It'll say what type of plug you need, and just make sure that you bring the right one. This is going to convert 220 volts down to 110. So basically you use one of these plugs if you're traveling to Europe or some other country where they have a higher voltage. Use one of these plugs to plug it in, and then you can plug in your standard American plug here, and it's not gonna fry your device. Most of your higher level electronics, let's say your phone, your computer, most of these do have a range of 110 to 240 volts or so, and they will convert on their own. Always check the back of your device before risking it. So if yours is able to convert on their own, great. All you need is a little plug adapter. But if you have something like a white noise machine, an iron, a hair dryer, a curling iron, stuff like this generally is not able to convert the voltage. And so if you just use a plug adapter and plug it in, you're going to fry your device. And my mother did this on our trip to Iceland. So in that case, either don't bring your device, or if you really need your device, you're going to need a converter like this. It's got space for 2 3-prong plugs, or 2-prong, whichever, 2 USB and 2 USB-C. That's a lot of devices. A maximum of 2000 watts. Each outlet has its own maximum. Some examples of things that you can use this with: you've got a tea kettle, blender, rice cooker, Instapot, iron, cameras and computers and devices, curling irons and flat irons, razors, electric toothbrushes, etc., etc. You can stand it up to use it, you can lay it down, either way. It's got 8 layers, smart protection for ultimate safety, true grounding, USB universal compatibility, and fault redundancy manual reset, with plug converters for Australia, UK, and Europe. I literally can't even plug this in to demonstrate it because none of these plugs will work in the US, so I can't even demonstrate it. But next time I travel to a place that takes a different plug and voltage, you can bet I will be bringing this and I will be doing an updated review, because this is amazing from EPICKA. I think I'm gonna love it, and I think you will too.